back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to sync music to video transitions in VN. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all you gotta do is simply go to VN editor. Once you're in your VN editor, all you gotta do is simply to sync music to the video transitions, you add your music and video clips to the timeline. You can then use the navigation beat sync feature. This is often found by tapping the audio track or a beat mark option, or manually place transitions like dissolve, zooms, and the audio's strong beats, adjusting clip durations and transition times to match the music's rhythm for dynamic cuts. So if you're going to follow these simple and easy steps like importing music and videos, adding transitions, you can simply sync music to video transitions in VN. So by aligning visual changes with the audio's rhythm, you can also create a dynamic beat sync video. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.